3 days in Ireland, I have seen and felt incredible Irish hospitality. The food sourced from 100% Irish farmers and suppliers was just delicious. Operations were incredible. People programs were enviable. I saw leading edge leadership teams and the joy and energy and positivity of our Irish franchisees. I certainly can tell that Ireland is ready to come back and lead at an even higher level in 2026.
A lot of our staff are under the age of 25, in fact 3/4 of them, and we know that they care about the environment, so we make sure that when we're training, we tell them about the provenance of our products, that really matters to them. We as franchise owners, we have very high standards, and I'm always blown away by the fact that our crew managers actually take those standards to a higher level time and time again.
I think the biggest impact in terms of my role would definitely be, the confidence you get. You're looking after 70 people, thousands of customers every week, and the management team around me, they really encourage you to, take on new roles, take new responsibilities, and I've had great opportunities through the encouragement that I get from the people around me. Between the time I've spent at McDonald's, I was studying the whole way while I was working, and I've just graduated there last week. The important thing for me is that my degree isn't inapplicable in my role. We get to carry out community engagement, something I've always wanted to do. For example, with Golf na Gaeilge here, we're able to reach out to our local community, provide a space to our language.
The partnership that we have with McDonald's, the recently published economic impact report quantified that relationship at €240 million. So it's a very significant part of business, and Irish farmers and the whole supply chain are very cognizant of the value of that business. But more importantly, I think the relationship that the food industry in Ireland and farming in Ireland has with McDonald's is something that's greatly valued, because we have been working with McDonald's for many years through our quality assurance program. McDonald's themselves are members of our Irish and Green program, so we have worked with McDonald's in a very close and collaborative way.